That is weird. Look at how the snow is going up like that. That's crazy.
And the rain
Turn
looks
your
stringy.
flashlights on outside, you guys, in the nighttime.
The rain looks stringy. And then it looks like gnats flying in it, but it's
Yeah, it
not.
does. It looks like gnats flying in it, but it looks like it's stringy. They're not like raindrops. It's barely even drizzling out here.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Yeah, look how stringy it looks out there. There goes a bug. That looks weird. Huh.
Oh, yeah, look at that, guys.
Stringy rain.
Does that look like rain to you?
I don't know what the hell it looks like. It feels like rain.
Yeah, look at how it looks in my. Wow, guys, look at this. This is in Welch's, Oregon. That is not rain.
It's not cold enough for snowing.
No, do you guys see that though?
Huh. Okay.
Tell me what you think of it, because look at how the winds are running towards the light.